Hello everyone, and welcome back. My name is Chris Tooley, President of QuadPlus. As promised from our last video, today I'm very excited to say that with only 30 days into this project, the first precast wall is going up. This location in QuadPlus will be home to nearly 100 people. Electrical, mechanical, civil, structural, chemical, and controls engineers will be under one roof, improving our efficiencies for our customers. Along this area will be the dividing line between the 18,000 square feet of office and the 34,000 square feet of manufacturing. I would also like to add that this facility is going to have a state-of-the-art testing area for both low and medium voltage drive systems. In this back part of the building, besides your standard 480 volt systems, QuadPlus will have the ability for 4160, 13.8, and 12.47 voltage testing areas. Complementing our extensive e-house construction needs will be two 13-ton cranes with a 100-foot span and a 200-foot potential of travel. Well, there it is. After only 3 days, our walls are up. The steel delivery is right around the corner. Until next time, this is Chris Tooley. Stay safe out there.